Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this logo and they're having trouble. And for the one I'm doing it for, I'm going to nudge this out of the way. What you were trying to do should have worked, but in this case it didn't. He wants to put a white, well, that's a picture of it. I actually had to change I crashed my computer and had to restart, so that's a picture, but I've already done it. And you can tell that that's a picture from another computer or another. I'm using a different Corel right now. Anyway, the reason is he's having trouble. If we put a bounty box around it, see the red line? And the red lines are something's wrong. I'm just going to delete these. He's got them. And if we take this orange, you can kind of see, let's go view now and wireframe. The blue is what kind of is the problem. But then again, maybe not. Because if I take, you can't put a bounding box around a solid item. But if we take a square or a rectangle and fill it in with the Smart Fill tool, I don't want to use red, I'll use black. The orange is really good, but I want to make sure it's good because there's something wrong with this logo beside what we think's wrong. Look at all the nodes. And I don't even know if they're all connected. So by doing what I just did, I'm going to back up, give me that orange. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to grab the eyedropper and I'm going to use that orange and I'm going to fill in that one. And now I should have a better, still got a lot of nodes, but I guarantee they're going to be closed now. So let's just back up till we have orange. Anyway, this is the problem. So I'm going to try this. I've done it, but to be honest with you, I don't know what I did. I'm going to go to Object and group them together. And then I'm going to try to take this out by intersect and then move that. See, and that should be our, well, that didn't work. That was an intersect. Let's try this. Let's go, let's move that up. And I'm going to make a copy and move it down and select these two. And I'm going to go back minus front. There's our blue. Here's our orange. And I think we're done. I think we got it. Now, if this will work, I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill this in with black. It's still not picking up the orange. Why is it not picking up the orange? Let me get rid of that box. Get my orange. My orange is there. If we move it over, this might even be over my head. And I don't mean anything by that. I'm going to try this. I don't think this is going to work. Eyedropper should still be on that same orange. All we're trying to do is put a border around it. And I think we're going to, there we go. There we go. I'm actually going to send this to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this border outline. I'm going to go up to effects and contour, unless you could follow those steps. I think a quarter inch is going to be too much. Yep. And let's go like 0.1, with rounded corners. And then that'll determine how big you want that white. And do you want rounded corners or do you want sharp corners on it? I'm guessing in this case we want sharp corners. Then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, set on white, and move it over. Of course, you can't see it till we put a blue t-shirt or something behind it. There we go. I'm going to send you that logo. You please try to follow along. I don't know if anybody could follow that video, but that might work. I wish I could just real quickly redo that. It's just a problem that it's hard to solve. So I'm going to delete this. Now I wish I hadn't deleted your, well, you did the typing, so you'll be able to figure that out. But I'm going to send you this along with the video and see if it doesn't help. One thing we're going to do is, what did I do? Oh, that's the bounding box from that, hiding that. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.